Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Window Tips Helpful, and hope you guys are doing great. So in this video we are going to discuss about the execution of Android apps on the newly Windows 11. And it was, as you know, that Windows 11 has been announced, but it is not currently available in the marketplace. But there's a lot of discussion regarding the feature of Android apps running on the Windows 11. So let's discuss that what the really things are, what the scenario really is, and how the things are working. So let's get started with the video. And before proceeding further, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. And as you know that Microsoft has announced that its new Windows 11 will support the Android apps. And how will it works, we are going to discuss that thing. So basically the Android app is introduced in the Windows 11, and it is powered by Amazon App Store. So the module of Amazon App Store will be integrated in new Windows 11 uh, App Store. So from there, as you know that Amazon App Store contains 500,000 products, including Instagram and LinkedIn, a lot of major products like TikToks. So the Amazon App Store will be available for you guys in Windows 11 App Store, so you can download your desired Android app. So the next thing is that the apps in the Android apps in the Windows PC that are supported will have a flexible display, because as it has been seen in the launching video of Windows 11, the TikTok was launched on that system in Windows 11. So we have seen that the display of the TikTok in Windows 11 was quite flexible, and it looks like that the Android app supported by the Windows will be scaled up according to the flexibility. So it will be a challenging for Microsoft Windows, and let's see that how it seems interesting that how could Microsoft Windows manage the scalability of the display of the Android apps. Will it be implemented or not? So let's see that how the things will be working professionally in Windows 11. So next thing is that there are a lot of rumors that the Android App Store feature is processor based, and it is Intel based. So the system contains of Intel processor. They only allows the Android apps to be stored on them. So those were the rumors, and from the sources we have got the news that there's not a kind of any kind of this thing is not announced officially, because it is not processor based. All the processor, whether it will be Intel or whether it will be AMD, can run the Android apps on the uh, Windows App Store. So it will be a great news for all the Windows user, whether they are using AMD, whether they are using Intel. So Intel Bridge is implemented in Windows 11. So we will see that how interesting it could be, and how the Windows user will enjoy all the scenario and all the stuff that has been implemented and upgraded in Windows 11. And we are willing to look that how the things will change up in the upcoming days. And by the way, the Amazon App Store has announced that all the apps will not be available in Windows App Store right now. A number of apps will be announced, and they will be integrated in Windows App Store at the end of 2K21. So they have it's an official announcement, and they have already announced that a number of apps will be available on the App Store, but some of the apps will not be available as they will be properly integrated for the ease of access of the Windows user, and they will be properly integrated at the end of 2K21. So the next thing is that it's a kind of, we can say, is a kind of bad news, or it can't be a bad news, because we know that we can execute and we can enjoy the YouTube in any kind of browser. So Windows 11 officially doesn't support the Google products that include Maps, Gmail, YouTube, and it's a official statement, because as you know that Amazon App Store is integrated in the Windows 11 App Store. So you know that Google and Amazon App Store, these are the competitors, and they can't travel in one ship. This is the best example, the perfect example. They can't travel in the same ship. So uh, this is official news that Windows 11 App Store doesn't support the Google products. No Google product can be implemented and installed on the Windows App Store. So let's see that in future how the Windows deal with it and how the things will happen. Maybe after the official release of Windows 11, we could see that the Googles have merged the things with Amazon App Store only for Windows module. So uh, currently there are no chances, any kind of chances regarding this, because not even a single statement has been released by any of the company among these two. So we are hoping for the best, because we want that Windows user could enjoy a lot of features in upcoming Windows 11 as expected. So let's see that how the Windows will manage the things, because as we know that Gmail, the Google has almost 3 lakh 3 million products, and how can they manage to be integrated with Windows App Store or not? It's on them. They have 3 million products, and a number of products. Uh, if we find similarities, those products are also available on Amazon App Store. But the official products of Google App Store, that are Gmail, Maps, and a lot of things that are being officially adopted by Google, such as YouTube, they will not be available in the App Store, and it is currently finalized. So hope the video is useful for you guys, and it contains a number of information that must be required by you guys. So hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, then please comment your thoughts, and please subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. Thank you.